Random lyrics, take one. Boop boop.
Do I say the ones I already said?
Yeah, do those really quick. So,
Um,
tell us who you are and what's your
um,
special talent?
I'm Ryan, and I make weird lyrics.
Wow, okay, and go.
Uh, go. Like what?
Like, say your special talent.
Oh,
Look here, please.
oh. At the camera?
Yeah, yeah. Here, here.
Okay.
Yeah.
There?
Don't touch it. Yeah, but.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Um, well, I don't know. Thanks for the memories, even though they weren't so good. Yeah, I told you they were random, right? They're pretty sweet. It's my talent. Like, it's a gift. What can I say? I've always had it, you know. I don't know.